This is
Okay.
room 602.
So,
Routes to assembly station. Yes, we're showing it to y'all because if something go down, you need to know this. This is where it is.
so
Go here.
like this right here, this little dot right here, that's our room.
We all ignore this stuff, but I'm sure the people on Icon of the Seas
So
recently was like, where we
that's
got?
our room.
Where is that?
Our assembly station is way down on 3.
Gotta walk. All right, here's the bathroom. You gonna go in
So
here on Allure of the Seas bathroom. First up, the Batman closet. The Batman closet shower. Yeah, it makes that noise. Ignore me. We got it in here. One, we got the soda rainfall shower. Got this so you can
not
wash
a
your
rain
dick.
shower.
I said soda rainfall
That's
shower. I did
handheld.
not call it
That is
that.
a handheld shower. What's wrong with that? Is that the air
Yes.
move? You need to flip that open. Yes.
There we go. Okay. You got salt and breeze double duty hair and body wash.
So they have hair and body wash for you.
They were so kind. They loved you so much that they said we gonna combine the shampoo and the body wash together just for you, just to help you out.
And
You got this here. You got the knob to turn the water on.
controls.
Let me see. Actually, it's not that bad. I'm kind of fluffy. Got a belly, and I'm getting. You ain't gonna go ahead and be doing those steps in here, but you will wash your booty. Let's see how it does when I'm closing. Yeah, it's good.
So you gotta
Height wise, I'm 5'4", so if you like 6 feet, you're still good. Although if you like 6 feet, how you gonna have some difficulty. If you kind of tall,
you might
you're gonna
have
be kind of
issues.
difficult going ahead showering up.
So I see that there is a step.
There is a step.
So be careful when you're going in.
I'm
It's
sorry, y'all
like
come spoil me with the bench, man.
there's a step.
There is a step. Okay, you got over here. Don't rush the flush, baby. Toilet structure may be subject to $100 penalty. They gonna charge you $100 to plunge they.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, okay, so put it on the counter. Oh. No, the toilet works.
Sure works. Got some shelves. Ew.
No, don't ew me. Ew. Oh my god.
Somebody they left a souvenir. Their hair.
Oh, that's hair.
They left their little hairs on here.
We need to tell room service. No,
Oh,
ew.
it is on there too. Look, look,
No, ew, ew.
They left this.
No, they didn't
The
clean
last
in
people was
here.
kind enough to leave us some souvenirs. They saw that I ain't had no hair, and they was like, they gonna leave some hair for me. Okay, you got this other salt breeze soap, all washed up. Soap holder, dang, sink. That's all it is. It ain't nice sink. It's just sink.
And just a FYI, if you look at the shirts, these are new. That's Rock the Boat right there. And then on the
The
back,
logo with the belly.
on the back,
Oh, and the back.
you can see
The
our
barcode to go
barcode,
scan it.
our QR code on the back.
See how it
So
works.
if you see us around the ship,
Because we have a lot of people that apparently watch our channel, but they don't subscribe. They're like,
so,
let me see that. Let me see that fat dude, fat funny dude again. Click.
so
I'm not going to subscribe to his channel, but I'm going to watch it.
you do have towels here.
You got a
Trash
trash
can.
can. This has had an update apparently, but what they did not update was the heating and air conditioning
The
controls.
temperature controls.
You still got that knob. Cold, warm, cold.
You better put on cold. What's wrong with
We're gonna put it on cooler and see if it get that way. You have the master switch, which turns off all the lights on and off in the room, and you have these ones right here to turn different lights on and off in the bathroom. You have the full length mirror right here.
I found some hooks.
Found some hooks to.
But they're really up there. The hooks.
For your towel.
The hooks are
This
really
for your
up there.
towel. It's not for anything else but your towel. You got here. This for your little cups and all.
So
That's
you
for
can
your
put
magazine.
one flip flop here and then one flip flop here.
You have a light by the bed. ease you into lightness, man. That's what it is. You have a oh, I thought it was connected, but it's not. You have a little nightstand next to the bed.
That you can move apparently. Now this closet is something else.
You have a sliding closet.
This closet, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like, but
Yeah.
it goes back that way.
Yeah, I don't even want to say medium size. You have a rather smallish safe for your valuables.
For
It serves its purpose. If you want to lock your stuff up and keep your wallet safe and your keys and stuff like that, you good. And your passports and stuff like that. One, two, three, four, five. Five cubby holes.
this don't even look like a cookie hole.
And you have bed here, the main master bedroom. I'm not
Massive.
gonna be like MTV Cribs and be talking about where the magic happens. You just got a bed. Ain't no magic happening on the bed on a Royal Caribbean here.
Hey, phone.
Kind of retro. At least it's got a LED reader. One of the last old rooms we had didn't have an LED reader. This one is old school, but it has an LED reader. So you know who called me. Any housekeeping requests? Please scan the code.
And then you gotta scan the QR code for housekeeping.
The lights, you have some lights for the light switches for the room over here. No USBs, but that's to be expected. It's an old ship.
Older.
How can you tell it's an old ship? For all y'all that still got y'all old school iPods with 30 pin, right here. We got your cooler. I'm not gonna say refrigerator. I'm gonna say it's a cooler. Cooler here.
Mm.
And you have 7 drawers.
What is that?
That's my wallet.
That's the hair
Hair
dryer.
dryer. What I will say for this is, even though it's an older ship, it's not like the Magnifica where they had like the James Bond slide away drawer that was busted. Got another opening door with cubby holes.
That's
More cubby holes.
what you getting in there?
You putting in your underwear and your deodorant, and that's it. That's what you put. Your makeup. There you go. Lighted mirror. It may be old, but they got a lighted mirror. They be like, "We got you, girl. You wanna put on your makeup? You wanna put your face on? We got you."
We wanted you to feel like you're at home.
We have the actual American plugs here. 3 American plugs right here for you, which is a bit more, which is more than what we've seen on quite a few other cruise ships.
What's that say?
I don't even know.
Something about flip.
On this side, we have the
No.
sofa bed
Oh, you gotta
where our
wait for
son will
me.
be at. It's gonna fold out to a bed, so we'll see how that is later on. You got your
Table
table,
with a trash can.
table and trash can. Is it?
Yeah, I just put that in there too.
Table and trash can.
This is switch right there.
All right, you got the child-proof lock. So if you got little ones and they're in your room, you just lock this one up. They can't get in that one. And let's open it up because old as this may be, what they do have is a decent sized balcony. This is one of the larger balconies that we've had even in more upscale rooms.
Hence the wording with large balcony. And they actually have
with an actual table,
table.
not a footrest, a table.
So you could actually get maybe room service or get your food.
Get your breakfast out here.
With your coffee. And lay on the ground if you so choose. It's like enough nap.
We have a glass
balcony.
Glass balcony. And what I will say is, I've seen some glass balconies that were kind of foggy and kind of messed up. This one is actually clear. It looks like they put some effort into cleaning this off.
Clearish.
And it's fairly high, which always worries me. I do not have little ones, but I got little grandkids, and I always worry about low balconies
like that.
And climbing kids. This one. So if you got a kid about this size, they still should be safe. As long as they don't go climbing up on stuff.
Overall, not a bad balcony size.
Not a bad balcony. It has a little glass sliding door, so I guess if someone was booked in the other room that you knew, you can have this part right here open and have access between the two.
Oh, yeah.
Along with that right there.
No, open. Okay.
Thank you very much for joining us. This is the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas, room 14602, or 602 if you actually look on the door. Okay. Please subscribe to Rock the Boat 7214. Give us a thumbs up. Check us out. Comment if you like. See you soon. Ah.